Here are 10 reasons why you should absolutely open your third eye. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. 10 reasons why you absolutely should open your third eye. I'm excited, I'm motivated, I'm inspired because right now there are people all over the world manifesting their deepest desires because they've taken the time to raise their elevation, their vibration, and open their third eye. Now, I understand many of you are confused by the concept of the third eye, but just think of it as transcendence, transcending the ego, transcending your limitations unto a higher state of consciousness, a higher state of vibration. Your third eye is responsible for your soul, your intuition, your higher wisdom. Isn't that what's really important when it comes to manifesting the life you desire? Higher wisdom? You know, Solomon himself prayed not for gold or riches, but he prayed for wisdom. Higher wisdom, creativity, transcendence. Another word that is being used today is people are awakening. Oh, doesn't that feel good? Doesn't that feel good? To open up to higher source energy, allow it to come into you and into your life and into your dreams. Now, here's the first reason that I believe you're going to want to open up your third eye if you haven't already. You're going to see, for the first time perhaps, that food is either medicine or poison. And you're going to want to put more medicine in your body, healing energy, healing vibration into your body. You love the medicine, but you're going to start detesting the poison. And therefore, all the foods that you used to crave, the places that you used to eat, are no longer going to seem appealing to you because you've opened up your third eye. You've experienced awakening. So a high sugar diet, a diet high in starch and carbohydrates that are useless, will seem almost useless to you. Now, I know many of you have heard of that kind of a diet, and you've tried it and you struggled with it. But the people that make it happen are oftentimes the people that have had this transcendence, this awakening. You're going to avoid GMO foods. You're going to want natural foods, raw foods. You're going to want vegetables and greens and fruits. You're going to want to eat a healthy lifestyle because, well, you're going to want your body to match the spiritual energy that is flowing through you. Now, many people lose weight when they open their third eye because now, for the first time, they're eating to nurture themselves, to empower themselves. They're no longer eating just to eat. It's a wonderful experience. People ask me, Robert, what is the best way to lose weight? And I respond, open up your third eye. When your third eye is open, you will begin to crave the kind of foods that will help you remain healthy and vibrant for a full and complete life. High flyers, The second reason I believe that you should take the time to open up your third eye is it will help you release negativity. And you know what negativity is all about. It is that energy that is holding you back from living the life that you truly desire. Now, scientists tell us that about 70% of our thoughts are negative. And not every negative thought is a bad thought. For example, if I'm at the edge of a cliff and I think, well, I wonder if I can walk off the edge of this cliff and fly, a negative thought might be, you're going to fall. As a matter of fact, it's a limiting belief. But it's a good negative thought. It's a good limiting belief. So not all negative thoughts. The problem is we live in a state of panic and fear because we believe there's a tiger always chasing us. And the truth of the matter, there isn't. As you open your third eye, you're going to start transcending doubt, transcending fear, transcending worry. You're going to transcend the pain of yesterday. Oh, you're going to feel so good because now you're really, truthfully going to be soaring high like a beautiful eagle. That doesn't mean there won't be times for limiting beliefs or fears or doubts, but they'll have a validity to them. They will be valid fears. They won't be fears that you have created in your mind by your limiting beliefs. The third reason I believe you should open your third eye is because that's going to get you in touch with your soul, with who you really are, with your essence of why you are here on this planet living right now. And it's going to put you in alignment with your mission and your purpose. Isn't that what your life is really about? Your mission and your purpose. You see, look, high flyers, when you have a mission and a purpose, you're filled with spirit, you're filled with passion, you're filled with energy and excitement and exuberance for life. And you're less worried about what the other guy or the other person is thinking. You're not living your life trying to please other people. You have the power to say no because you're living on purpose, your mission, and your purpose. Reason number 4 why I believe you might want to open up your third eye is that as your third eye opens, the film that you've been looking at life through, the fears, the doubts, the worries, other people's influences will start to dissolve. Oh, yeah, that's a good feeling. When it starts to dissolve, you go, wow, that's my truth. And when you start living your truth, look at, I can't live your truth for you. People oftentimes write us, I just want this. Can you help me get it? I can teach you, but I can't help you, if that makes sense. I can teach you what I know, what has worked for countless others, but I can't do it for you. This is your path, your journey, and it has to become your truth. And you'll realize that as you begin to open up your third eye. And other people's truth, you'll respect it, but you don't necessarily have to agree with it. You won't give it power over your life and your journey. You will live your truth. Reason number 5 to open up your third eye is all of a sudden, you will just have an awareness of the right kind of decision to make. You see, opening up your third eye puts you in closer contact with source energy. It puts you in a deep spiritual connection with source energy. And when you have this kind of connection, it's a wonderful experience, but you'll automatically know, intuitively know the right decision to make to empower your relationships. You know, we have different kinds of relationships. We have love relationships, friendships, family relationships, and they're all important. Sometimes we want to make one relationship more important than the other, but that really isn't how it is. We have some relationships that we spend more time with, but they're not necessarily more important. So understanding your relationships and how to communicate with those you love and are in a relationship with, how to understand them, how to connect with them. It's a wonderful experience. When you really connect with someone else, it's an incredible experience. And your third eye, it gives you that power. The sixth reason why you're going to want to open up your third eye, if you are in business and you're tired of working for the man, as they say. If you're tired of doing that and you really want to do something with your life and you want to have your own business, your own journey, you want to create your own money, you're going to need an open third eye because it will give you such an advantage in business. You will sense other people's motivations, and you'll know whether they're being honest with you or dishonest. You will have a deeper connection and you'll make better decisions when it comes to business after you open up your third eye. Reason number 7 is self-love. And I think that if I can get personal with you, high flyers, I think that's what's wrong with our world today. I don't feel like people really love themselves. They're trying to love themselves. They're trying to prove that they're loved. Look how many followers I have on Instagram. Look how many YouTube followers I have. Look at this, look at that. But these are all ways of trying to prove something. Real self-love means taking care of yourself emotionally, mentally, physically, spiritually. It means really nurturing yourself and believing in yourself. I think it's impossible to have true self-confidence without self-love. Self-love precedes self-confidence. And as you open up your third eye, as you connect to the real you, your love for yourself will increase. And that's an incredible, wonderful, empowering experience. The 8th reason is, and I think this is an important reason, you're going to have a deeper desire to pay it forward. As your third eye opens, you're going to want to pay it forward. You're going to want to give more because you are receiving more. You're going to just see how much you're receiving and you're going to be so filled with gratitude. But that's not the end of it. More energy's coming into your life, so you're going to be giving more away to other people, and then even more is coming in, so you'll give away even more. It never stops. It's wonderful. It's incredible. You will be helping so many people just by taking the time to open your third eye. High flyers, reason number 9 to open up your third eye is that you will begin to raise your vibration. And as you raise your vibration, you will have the inherent power to attract anything you desire. The higher your vibration, the more your manifesting abilities. You deserve the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you depend upon. And all of them are available to you in an abundance form by simply taking the time to open your third eye. The 10th and final reason for opening your third eye is this. And I think this is reason enough. You will have a greater sense of well-being. Well-being of who you are, why you're here, what you're doing, and where you're going. Rachel and I, every day, we're so excited to work and think about how we can reach more people with an empowering message. That's what our life is about. And that gives us a sense of well-being. We feel good about it. And whatever you're doing, you deserve a sense of peace and comfort and well-being. And by opening up your third eye, that will automatically increase for you. I assure you that. I wish I could spend more time on this topic, and we'll do more on the third eye later, but thank you so much for joining me. Be sure and subscribe. Click that bell icon, because we are giving away an entire year of miracle mentoring and alchemy life coaching to one lucky winner on January 1st, but you have to be subscribed and you have to click the bell icon. Thank you so much. Have a great day. You absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.